a really great little toolkit there, and something that I really recommend for you building your Tamiya re-release. Hi guys, it's Brett here from Hearns Hobbies, and today I would like to talk to you about our Ninesteps Tamiya toolkit. So this is particularly done for the vintage cars and the re-release stuff. We've introduced this package of tools, this great range of hand tools, so you can build and service your vehicle. That combined with the little four-way wrench that comes in the Tamiya kit, and you've got everything you need to get yourself set up. So let's have a look first of all. First of all, we've got some precision machined needle nose pliers. Now these are handy. These are good for popping on balls, doing your shock lengths, and or squeezing the ball into the end of your shocks. Yeah, these little pliers you'll use on just about everything. Then we've got the Ninesteps classic 5mm Philips drive here. This is JIS spec, so Japanese industry standard size Philips head. Perfect for all your Tamiya, Koisho and Japanese hex screws, Phillips screws. 5mm Philips head, there we go. Next one down is the 3.5mm one. Now you can see here it's got the same beautiful knurled handle, precision machined alloy, titanium nitride coated steel tip for good lasting and really looking after your screws. Now the last one in the toolkit is the ever popular 1.5mm hex wrench. Again, same beautiful knurled handle for really good grip, and this is going to ensure that you can do up your pinion gear to the correct torque, so that's not coming loose every time or rattling loose, or stripping the head of your screw. So a really great little toolkit there, and something that I really recommend for you building your Tamiya re-release. Thanks for watching guys.